Hello guys, my name is Louis. I'm from Aquila, and let me show you what a day in RC4 looks like. So this is our pantry. We have one every 3 floors for every house. And each pantry will look a little bit different, but this is what the Aquila pantry looks like. We have our cutlery plates here, and then we have some cupboards here. We used to store some food. We have snacks, rolled eggs, and then we also have this amazing fridge here and a water machine. So depending on what house you stay in, the pantry will look different, but this is what the level 4 pantry looks like. Okay, so this is one of the lounges. We have a lounge on every floor, and so this is a level 3 lounge. You can take a look inside. So this is basically a place where people will come to study, hang with their friends, and just basically chill. And actually, in Aquila, we have a tradition where we write birthday cards for everyone. And at the end of the month, they'll get it with all their notes from their friends and everything, which is quite nice actually. And this has a lot of random artwork from people, and also you can like chill with your friends. We have karaoke here. And at the end of the level 3 lounge, every 3 floors, the lounge will have a balcony, which is this area out here. And there's also a little space here with TV you can enjoy with your friends. And overall, it's just a nice place to hang out with your friends, study or whatever. And this is my favorite room in all of RC4, the laundry room. We have 2 washers and 2 dryers for every house, which is every 3 floors. And it's $1 for every 30 minutes. You can pay over here using PayWave. It's very easy to use. So this room here is our common lounge, more commonly known as the Colo. It's our level 1 lounge, right next to the main entrance. And it's a place where people will gather and study together with their friends. It's just like a level lounge, except it's a bigger area for cool stuff to do. Actually, houses will come down here and host events using stuff like the karaoke machine over there and the TV. And also the piano here, we've had some music events here with the piano, so we've got the drums and everything up here. And over here we have SOS, Snacks on Shelves. It's like a snack event that's run by students over here. And we have a printer here, you can get to print and stuff. And there's a pool table here, you can play pool with your friends as well. And that's it for Colo. Okay, so these are the seminar rooms, also known as SRs. You'll probably be taking your JS, IECs, or SFs over here, and they basically look something like this. And I'll see you at the next location. So sometimes studying and academics gets a bit tough in school, but fret not, because in RC4 we have a very own Oasis, the rest and relaxation corner, where you can like come down and de-stress after your exams, or like to relieve some stress. We have some nice coloring over here to do it, and there are also a bunch of games over here, and very nice couches to sit on as well. And I'll see you guys on the next location. Okay, hello guys. So this is the RC4 gym. We have students can book this place to use with their friends to work out. We have weights here. We have more weights and even more weights. I think you guys get the idea. I'll see you guys later. Okay, so this is PR4. A lot of food IGs like tea, coffee, cafe, and juice will hold their sessions here. You can see we have a lot of stuff here. We have ovens over here for baking. We recently had the Aquila bake-off competition here. We have a fridge, and also a lot of other items here. We have a coffee machine. We have a bunch of utensils here, and people write the recipes up here for their session. So if you do love making coffee, make sure to check this room out if you're in RC4. Hello, so this is our dining. This is where you're going to be probably having most of your breakfasts and dinners. And we share it with our neighbors at CAP. So how it works is each student has 3 meal credits a day. You can scan up to 3, and you have enough for the whole sem. So you can choose to have either 1 meal, or you can scan for 2 or 3 more portions if you feel like one. Okay, well I've got my food now. So usually I only scan 1 portion, but since they got salmon today, I scanned twice. And they also got these things called meal enhancements. So today it's chocolate cake. So what meal enhancements are is usually there are snacks or desserts that come along with every portion of meal you scan. I think it looks quite good today. Bon appetit! Okay, so that brings us to the end of the RC4 tour. Thank you all for watching, and I'm looking forward to see you guys on our open house on March 8th.